And welcome to the Friday Night Blitz. A big thank you to the cheerleaders of Osceola High School for getting us going on yet another rainy night around the Bay Area. I don't know what's going on with these Fridays, but all these kids getting these games in. Good for them. Mitchell tonight hosting River Ridge in Pasco County. The Knights. Patrick Mathiasen to Trevor Duke. 7-0 River Ridge on top. But the Mustangs come right back. Next drive, Ryan Marsh. Where is he? Everybody's missing him. Let's catch up to him. A 39-yard touchdown. There he goes. And Mitchell ties the game at 7. But here come the Knights again. They've got their own running back up the middle. Chris Schwartz. Watch him here. Good blocking. Almost untouched. And look at him go. 49 yards. River Ridge back on top 14-7. And the Knights win it 17-6. Bye.